guys, ito na ang part 2. Okay, tuloy na natin ito. 8 bala pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bala pencil. Put it here. Okay. Then, bigyan natin siya ng papel, ball pen, and then, bye-bye! Ito na lahat. Ito na lahat. Okay. Bye-bye!